Hello students, these are the exercises of chapter number 17, the aspirate, from exercise number 65 to exercise number 68. Okay, start. Happy, happiness, hobby, hid, hidden, hat, hodge, heavy, heath. Next is hash, heather, haze, haste, hustle, hone, hive, heckle, hooker. Next is behave, adhere, adhered, adhesion, adhesion. Boathouse, overhang, unhidden. Next is hue, hewer, high, high road, hoax, hoaxing, cohesion, mohair, anyhow. Next is hum, humming, hill, hair, harm, mishap, prehend. Next exercise number 66. Get ready. Start. Head, hitch, huge, hyphen, hurry, hurries. Next is host, hone, heave, hovel, haggle, hence, hover, boyhood, prohibition, prohibition, cohesive. Next is hack, hackney, hawk, Hawkins, hoax, cohere, high, higher. Next is home, hall, hello, higher, neighborhood, freehold. This is exercise number 67. Start. Dear sir, I am surprised to hear of Mr. Hugh Hammer's opposition to the highly reasonable views taken by Professor Hawkins on the syllabus in history. Professor Hawkins, I believe, does his best in all circumstances to help his pupils and to adhere to the scheme of history lessons which deals with the extension of commerce and with all forms of man's activity. He is heedful of every circumstance which may affect the coherence of history and the historic belief expressed in the phrase commerce follows the flag. There can be no misapprehension of his meaning, and none but a blockhead would be likely to misapprehend him. He shows how the upheaval of war, though harmful to humanity in other ways, may help a nation's commerce. I humbly hope Mr. Hamer may behave reasonably and cease to harass Professor Hawkins in his historical course. Yours truly. Next is exercise number 68. Start. Dear Sir, the heavy mahogany table for your new home, Hillside Woodhouse Lane, is ready for delivery at any time when we hear from you. We hope to have the hangings fixed tomorrow and the curtains hung by Wednesday next. The new hammocks and hazzocks are almost ready and they will be delivered next week. Our van may be in your neighborhood on Monday, in which case you shall have the hall chairs and the whole of the small household things then. But for a mishap at our Harley hook works, you would have had the hair cushions for the settee before this. We hope, however, to receive them on Friday and to deliver them with the other things on Monday. Yours truly. So these are the 4 exercises of chapter number 17, the spirit. क्लियर है? अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, कोई भी क्वेरी है, कुछ भी पूछना है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.